Good girl, Mama. She's so hungry. All right. Oh, you are housing that. That's a hungry girl. Good girl, Mamas. She let me weigh her babies. That's a good girl. All right, so Mama is a hungry thing. And they're the babies that we just weighed.
Yeah.
All right, so what were our weights again?
We have the tabby with the red stripe is
That's Lucy.
219 grams.
Gotcha.
And then we had one of the tabby girls is 192.
Okay.
The other tabby girl is 195.
Okay.
One of the black girls is 154.
Right.
The other black girl is 207.
Wow.
And then our ginger boy is 204.
Okay, that's 6.
That is 6.
All right.
And this was at one